Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss how to solve linear equations. This is video part number 2 of the same unit, that is unit 7, linear equations. Finding the value of the unknown. Unknown is the literal number, right? So finding the value of the unknown in an equation is called solving an equation. That means to solve an equation we have to find out the value of the unknown, that is the literal number. Means we have to find out the value of the literal number. So we used to do it by two methods. The first one is by taking the different values. That is, for example, let us understand this by taking the example of this equation. Here the equation is x minus 5 is equals to 5. Now, here in this equation, we will check by taking different values of x that whether are they solution of this equation or not. Means we have to put the values, these values in this equation. The first one is x is equals to 5. Right? We will check out by putting the value of x here as 5, and then if it is equal to right hand side, then that means this is the solution of the equation, right? Let us do it. As here x minus 5 is equals to 5. Now taking here I have written taken the value of x is equals to 4 first. So put x is equals to 4 and minus 5 will remain as 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Now this is not equal to right hand side. So we will write not equal to right hand side, right? So that means this is not the solution, right? Next is x is equals to 5. So now put the value of x 5 here. So 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Right? So, which is again not equal to the right hand side. So, it is not the solution of this equation. Now, the third value I have taken is x is equals to 10. Now, we will check it out whether x is equals to 10 is the solution for this equation. We will put 10 in the place of x and we will solve this equation now. Minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, so which is equal to right hand side, because we can see that right hand side we have 5. So that means x is equals to 5 is the solution of this equation, right? So by doing this, what we have to do, we will just put the value of x or the unknown, and we check we take different values and check whether left hand side is equals to right hand side. If it is equal, then only it is the solution of the equation. Worksheet 2 questions are based on this method. So in book you will find a table has been made over there, but I am doing it like this. You can check it out from here also. The 10y is equals to 80. This is the equation is given, and the value of the variable is y is equals to 6. Right? Now to check whether this y is equals to 6 is the solution or not, we will put the value of y in this equation. Right? 10y means this is 10 into y. Okay, so 10y means 10 multiplied by y. So 10 multiplied by, instead of y we will put 6. So 10 6 are 60. So this is not equal to 80. That means this is not equal to right hand side. So we have to put no in the last column here. So write no here, because this is not the solution. Coming on to the b part of this, b plus 5 is equals to 9. So here the value of the variable is given is b is equals to 4. Now put the value of b 4 here, and you will get 4 plus 5, this is equals to 9, which is equals to right hand side. Right? This is equals to right hand side. That means this b is equals to 4 is the solution of this equation. So we will write yes here in the next column. C part is p minus 8 is equals to 5. Here p is equals to minus 13. We have to take the value of the variable as minus 13. Now minus 13 minus 8, this is equals to 21. So this is equals to minus 21, which is not equal to right hand side, right? Because in the right hand side we are having 5. So this is not, not the solution of this. So we will write no here, right? Now the next is y upon 3 is equals to minus 1, right? So here y is equals to, the value of the variable is minus 3 given. So put the value of y is equals to minus 3 here. 3 will get cancelled with 3. The answer will be minus 1, which is equal to right hand side, because in right hand side we are having minus 1 there. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So you have to write yes in the last column of your book. So in this way, students, you can solve the part E to J by yourself of this worksheet. Now coming on to the second method, that is solving an equation by short method, we can say that, right? So this method is also known as transposing method, or here we have to transpose the value. Let us understand this by taking an example. Here I have taken this equation x plus 2 is equals to 5. Now see how we are going to do. What do we have to do? As I have told you that take this is equal to as the bridge. You know, the things, if you have to move from this bridge to this side, the signs will get changed, and whatever you will take from this side to this side, the signs will change, right? For example, that if you will transpose this 2, now this 2 is, we have to check its sign also, this is plus 2. Now we will take this plus 2, don't draw this, I am just explaining this to you. Transpose this plus 2 to this side, this 5 will remain as it is. Now this plus 2 will get changed to the opposite sign, that is minus 2. So it will become minus 2 here. We will take this and we will bring this to this side. Now it will be equal to x is equals to, now because this 2 has gone to this side, so 5 minus 2 it will become in the second step, and then solve it. Now this is equal to, here x is equals to 5 minus 2 is 3, so it is equal to 3. So x is equals to 3 is the answer here. Let us understand this by taking another equation. X minus 2 is equals to 5. Here now the sign is minus 2. In the previous equation it was plus 2. So we have transport plus 2 to the other side. Now in this equation we will understand how to transpose the negative sign to the other side. So now because minus 2 is there, so again we have to transpose this to the other side to find out the value of x. Okay, we have to only keep x things to the left hand side, rest all we are going to transpose to the right hand side. Okay, so now when we will transpose this, their sign will change, the plus will become minus, the minus will become plus, so here it will become plus 2. So your second step would be x is equals to 5 plus 2, right? Now solve it. X is equals to 5 plus 2 is 7. So x is equals to 7 is the answer here, right students? Let us take another example of multiplication. Now here you can see that 2x is equals to 5 is the equation. Here 2 is multiplied with x. Now if you are having such kind of the equation, how you are going to solve it? Now 2 is getting multiplied here. So again we have to transpose this 2 because we only need the unknown factor on the left hand side. So we will transpose this 2 to the right hand side. So for that, what do we have to do? We will take this 2 to the right hand side to right. So now this 2 is getting multiplied by x. So the sign will again change. Multiply will get converted into division, and division will get converted into multiplication. So now when we will shift this 2 to the other side, it will get changed, and because here it is getting multiplied, so in the other side it will be divided. Okay, it will divide. So now change this, it will go to this side and it will divide 5. So we will not write divided by 5, we will write x is equals to 5 upon 2, right? We will write it like this. So you can leave it like this also, or you can write the answer in the decimals also. So x is equals to 5 upon 2 is the answer. Now in the fourth case, now here 2 is getting divided, right? Now because we have to transpose this 2 to the other side so as to get the value of x. So this is getting divided here. So when we will transpose it to the right hand side, it will get multiplied. So this will be equal to x is equals to 5 multiplied by 2. So it will be equal to 5 2s are 10. So x is equals to 10 is the answer for this. Right, students? So what we have seen, that whenever we have to transpose this plus from this left hand side to right hand side, it will become minus. The minus signs, minus integers, they will become plus, and if the number is getting multiplied, then it will on the other side it will be divided, and if it is getting divided, then the other side it will be multiplied. Right? Let us understand this more by doing the questions of worksheet 3. The question number first is x plus 9 is equals to 15. Now here, because we have to find out the value of this unknown factor, this literal number, so we have to transpose this 9 to the other side. Now because this is plus 9, so it will get transposed to the right hand side, and the plus 9 will be converted into minus 9. So the sum, your sum will be like this: 15 minus 9, right? Now x is equals to, this will be equal to 15 minus 9, and that is 6, right? So your answer will be 6. So x is equals to 6 will be your answer. Now the next is y minus 6 is equals to 9, right? So here, because minus 6 is there, so when it will go towards the other side, it will be converted into plus. So your answer will be, this is equals to 9 plus 6, and y is equals to 9 plus 6 is 15. So you will, this will be your answer. Y is equals to 15 will be your answer, right? Now the next is x is equals to 24. Now 8 is getting multiplied here, so we will transport it here and it will be divided. So x is equals to 24 upon 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So x is equals to 3 is the answer here. So do it like this. In the next, now 5 is divided here, so it will be go there and it will get multiplied by 4. So x is equals to 4 multiplied by 5, and x will be equal to 4 5s are 20. So 20 will be your answer. Now here, students, in this case 6 minus y is equals to 9. So because we want to find out the value of y, it hardly matters that it is minus y and 6 is written here. You just do take this constant to the other side, and because this is plus 6, it will become minus 6. So here minus y is equals to 9 minus 6. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. So now minus y is there. So students, we have to keep only the literal number here in the left hand side, and rest we have to take everything to the other side. minus is there, we will take this minus also to the other side. Means when we take minus to the other side, it will remain only minus, right? So take this, transpose this minus to the other side, it will not become plus, it will remain only minus. If it would have been minus 5, then if we will transpose that minus 5 to the other side, then it will become plus 5. But if we are transposing the sign, it will minus, then it will only be minus. So take this minus to this side, it will become minus 3. Okay. Next is x plus 4 is equals to 1. So now transpose this 4, it will become x is equals to 1 minus 4. So x is equals to minus 3. And in the seventh part, p upon 3 is equals to minus 8. Now take 3 to the other side, it will get multiplied. P is equals to minus 8 multiplied by 3. So P is equals to minus 24. Y minus 9 is equals to 3. Take this 9 to other side, it will become plus 9, and y is equals to 12 is the answer. So students, I hope the concept is clear to all of you, and do question number 9 and 10 by yourself of this worksheet 3. Thank you.